the fascinating world of light. Have you ever wondered what light is and how it behaves? Let's explore the captivating world of light and its properties. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that travels in waves. It can have different wavelengths, frequencies, and energies, which determine its color and brightness. Light can also interact with matter in different ways. Reflection, refraction, diffraction, and interference are just a few of these phenomena. These interactions can create stunning effects like rainbows, mirages, and holograms. But light isn't just waves. It can also behave like a particle called a photon. Atoms can absorb or emit these photons, which is why some materials glow in the dark or change color when exposed to light. Light is also used in various applications, such as communication, medicine, entertainment, and astronomy. Light is one of the most amazing and mysterious aspects of nature. If you want to delve deeper into the world of light and physics, make sure to follow and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.